Alright, so you guys know that I'm a safecracker, not a lockpicker. So I've done this one before last year, but I want to do it again because I want to try something on the safe, but I need to get inside to do a little bit of a vibration test. So I figured I would film myself trying to pick this guy open again. This is a dimple lock. I do have a dimple pick, but over the years I've used it for other things. So that's not going to be able to be used, I don't think. Maybe I could try it and see, but the way it's beat up, if I don't get any response right away, I'm going to just ignore it. No, I can't identify each dimple, so I don't like it. This might be called a dimple rake. I don't know, because it seems like it's designed for raking and not individual pin picking. You guys know more than that than I do. Some of you guys would have already had this open already and are laughing at me, but that's okay. So what we're going to do is, I like this guy for a couple of locks. I don't know what it's called, but it's gotten me through a couple of locks. And I'm going to try it for this one because I can twist this way and lift each dimple up individually. So we're going to try this here. So far nothing. And my battery's going to die, but hopefully I get it. And we're already 2 minutes into this, and some of you guys are laughing. You would have had it open already. But that's okay. I'm way out of my element here. My tension might actually be a little bit too light. Try this other pick here. Problem with this one is it's too thin and the whole pick itself is twisting. So I don't like that one. I'm going to go back to this one here. Nothing. There we go. Alright, so we got it. There she is. So that took 4 minutes. So that's pretty pathetic for some of you guys, but I'm kind of okay with that. 4 minutes for me isn't too bad. So now I can open this up and I can see if I have a sander. I want to see if a sander will cause these wheels to move. So that was the point of me opening this. So now we got it open. Alright, thanks for watching guys, and don't laugh at me too hard.